Just absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing I do want to point out, if you look right here on the side of the battery, right there is going to be a sticker over a screw. That is their tamper sticker. So I do not recommend opening these batteries at home, because if you disrupt that sticker, that's going to void your warranty completely. So you will no longer have a warranty on your battery. So just keep that in mind. I'll open them up and take that risk just so you don't have to, and we can all experience what this battery is all about. All right, so pulling the cover off of it. There it is. Nice metal cover. All right, so looking in, the plastic cell cover that you're gonna see on it, it's even branded WattCycle. I'm telling you, you can tell just looking at this battery, they put a lot of research and development into this battery. Care was actually taken. It just screams it when you open it up. You see little things that really didn't need to be done, but they did. For me, that is kind of a signal of pride in your product. And this battery screams it. So there you have it. There is the inside of it. I mean, first glance at it, absolutely beautiful battery. Just absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll start here at the cells. Everything that you want to see in a good battery build, I'm looking at it. Expansion humps on all the laser welded bus bars. Nice thick bus bars. Everything is centered up nicely. I mean, screw terminals on all the balance leads. None of that solder mess. Temperature sensor, it's also screwed. Very nice looking cells. You got epoxy board all the way around the battery. Epoxy board separating all the cells. Just got a whole grid pattern going of epoxy board separating everything. I do love that. Your vent valves, none of them exposed. I mean, exactly everything you want to see. Everything nice and tidy. Zip tied to the rail. Wire looming coming around. And it's not just the thick plastic wire loom you see right here. They actually have shrink wrap wire loom inside it. Double the protection. I really love to see that, man. They really did their homework on this one. All right, so we're going to scan one of these QR codes and get a look at it and see what cells they are. They do say they're BYU cells, so we're going to take a look at it. And I'll pop that up on the screen right here for you guys to see what I came up with. Okay, other notable things on the battery that I'm seeing just right off. I mean, you've got no wire, heavy gauge wire in here. It's all thick, insulated bus bars going to your breaker, coming from the battery bank to your breaker, the negative going to the BMS. And look at that BMS. That is one beefy BMS. I see a QR code down there, and I think that's just going to take you to the WattCycle website, maybe to register your warranty. Everything is just, I mean, an absolute flawless build on this battery. For this price point, it's actually incredible. Right down here is going to be your power lead for your BMS. Coming up here, trace it right back to there. And now it looks like this BMS has a lot more options than it comes with. Looking down there on the bottom, you have a plug option for Wi-Fi, heaters, and another one for release. Not sure what that one would be for. Cross right there on the BMS. Really, really nice. I mean, super clean build, guys. Absolute super clean build. Hate to sit here and dote over this battery, but when it's good, it's good. And this one right here is actually good. It just makes me I've looked at some junk lately. And this one just makes me really happy to see somebody put some time and effort into delivering an absolute quality product.